Hello, my chat partners. Welcome back to another video. If you are new here, my name is Dionne. Please subscribe to my channel. And to my returning chat partners, I really appreciate you guys' support. Today's video, I will be making a pineapple and ginger detox juice for weight loss and bloating. I hope you guys enjoy. First things first, I will cut up 2 pineapples and I will also cut up a piece of ginger. Guys, let me just say I love pineapple. Pineapple is so good and it is so good for you. It's so amazing to me that something that grows in the ground can taste so sweet. Guys, here are a few benefits of pineapple. It contains antioxidants. It may aid in digestion. It helps with arthritis. It suppresses inflammation. And it's easy to add to your diet. Pineapple is also loaded with nutrients such as vitamin C, vitamin B6, niacin, magnesium, and folate. Also, with this detox drink, I will also add ginger. Ginger is good for germs. It's also good for nausea. It's good for bloating. And it also helps with constipation. The detox pineapple and ginger juice is good for reducing inflammation, boosting the immunity, aids in digestion, and detoxifies the body. So guys, I'm super excited about making this juice blend and I can't wait to try it. In the future, I will be doing a detox for maybe like 7 days or so, and I will bring you guys along with that and let you guys know the true results. So yeah, guys, so I'm still cutting this second pineapple, and then once that's all done, I'm going to get to juicing. Comment below and let me know if you are someone that likes to juice and what are some of your favorite juicing recipes. Guys, I am new to juicing. However, I'm super excited and optimistic to find new recipes to try out and also to come up with my own. I hope you guys have been enjoying this video so far, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, Dionne's Life, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you can receive alerts for each and every time I upload and become a chat partner. And for my returning chat partners, I appreciate you guys so much. You guys rock. So guys, I just wanted to share the reason as to why I started juicing. I have 2 previous videos uploaded with me juicing using a blender, and I went out and purchased a juicer. Guys, I am currently on a weight loss journey, just a fitness journey to take better care of myself. And so I decided to include juicing. I read some of the benefits of juicing and I'm still learning more and more about it. However, I feel that it is something that is going to help me in the long run. Okay guys, so I am done cutting up the pineapple and ginger. So what I have with me, I have some jars and I have some turmeric. I will be adding the turmeric to the pineapple and ginger juice once it's all made. And I'm going to also add some black pepper as well. And the black pepper will help the turmeric activate. Guys, turmeric is so good for the body. And one of the reasons why I like to have turmeric with my food and with my juice and also as just a daily vitamin is because it helps with inflammation. Guys, look up all the benefits of turmeric. Okay, beautiful people, we have come to the end of this video. Thank you all so much for watching. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, Dionne's Life, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you can receive alerts for each and every time I upload. I'm wishing you all out there a peace of mind because what? A peace of mind is one of the greatest things in the world. Always remember that you guys are great. And as always, take care, stay safe, and be blessed. Bye, guys.